Welcome to our latest tutorial on Dropout Developers Project Builder. Today, we're diving into an exciting journey to build a full-fledged Angular Firebase application in just a few minutes. This might sound daunting, especially if you're new to coding, but don't worry. Our tool is designed to make this process as simple and straightforward as possible. Let's start by walking through the setup process. We begin by entering our project requirements into the tool. What's fantastic about the Dropout Developers Project Builder is its ability to understand and interpret your needs, ensuring that the application is perfectly tailored to your specifications. Whether you're looking to create a simple educational app or a more complex, feature-rich platform, this tool has you covered. After you've entered your requirements, it's time to let the builder do its magic. Upon submitting your input, the tool gets to work, processing your specifications and preparing the necessary files for your Angular Firebase app. This process is a marvel of efficiency, taking what would normally be hours of manual coding and condensing it into mere moments. As the builder processes your input, you'll see a list of all the files needed for your project. This is where the real fun begins. With just a single click on the Generate button, the builder starts creating each file. This isn't just about speed, it's about precision and quality. Each file is meticulously crafted, ensuring that the code is not only functional, but also adheres to the best practices in software development. Now watch closely as the tool efficiently outputs high-quality code for each component of your application. This includes everything from your main app module to intricate Firebase integrations. It's thrilling to see the files come to life, each one a vital piece of your application puzzle. Once all the files are generated, it's almost time to see your application in its full glory. But first, let's talk about one of the most convenient features of this tool, the export option. With this, you can easily download the entire project setup, including all the generated files. This means you can take your project from our builder and deploy it in your environment in no time. It's perfect for quick iterations and testing, making it an invaluable feature for developers who are constantly on the move and looking to streamline their workflow. And there you have it, a complete Angular Firebase application set up in minutes, not hours. With the Dropout Developers Project Builder, you're not just saving time, you're embarking on a journey of learning and discovery. You're part of a community of developers who value efficiency, innovation, and quality. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it has inspired you to start your next project with the Dropout Developers Project Builder. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Your support means a lot to us. Drop your questions and thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you and are here to help with any queries you might have. Until next time, happy coding.